Welcome back students to Smashub web development course. In this tutorial, we will see the rest of the form elements. Next element we will be learning about is select element. This element is used to construct a drop-down list. We use another element, namely option, with this element. The option element defines an option that can be selected. By default, the first item from the drop-down list is selected. For example, we have written the code where we'll choose the food item from the list that will be displayed. Also, in the form tag, the action attribute is locating the afterselect.html page where the message will be displayed. Now, let us run this code. Now select, suppose I want donuts. Now submit it. The content of afterselect.html page is displayed here. In case you want to define a pre-selected option, add selected attribute to the option. Like here, I want pizza to be selected. Now when we run this code, we observe that the pizza is pre-selected here. Submit. Now to add a scroll bar, we will use the size attribute to specify the number of visible values. I want 3 visible values here. Now when we run the code, we observe that the scroll bar is displayed here. Suppose I want pancakes. I will select pancakes and submit. Then comes the text area element. This element defines a multi-line input field. In this, we have rows and calls, where rows attributes specifies the visible number of lines in a text area, whereas the calls attribute specifies the visible width of a text area. Like in the example, we see here that the text area we have has 10 rows and 30 columns. Now let us see the output. The text area gets displayed here. Now if we write something and then submit, query is submitted. Field set elements are basically used to group related data in the form, while legend element defines a caption for the field set element. Like in the example, observe that we have used field set to define that the data are all inside same field, and legend defines the field name. Now when we run this code, the content inside the legend gets displayed here along with a boundary. Next element is the data list element. This element specifies a list of predefined options for an input element. Now let us have a look at the example. When we run this code, we see a drop-down list that are suggesting me the items. Now let us write shirt. You see that the item automatically comes and we can easily select it. Now press on the submit button and the message gets displayed. The last element, that is output element, will be explained in the JavaScript module. Thank you.